been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead it.
Hi everybody, it is now April. I can't believe it's April, so crazy. And as usual, I am in the polytunnels because I practically live here at the moment. If it wasn't for the kids, I really would be here the whole time. But I try and come down most mornings now and do a mixture of seed sowing. But from today onwards, we are now moving into sowing out, which is not my favourite job. I way prefer seed sowing. But yeah, now we're putting everything into the ground. So I've got rocket, cut and come again salads. I've got broad beans, beetroot, radish, quite a lot to go out. I've got a lot of work ahead of me, kind of intimidating. So down here, we've got the first lot to go out. So these are some rocket, some cut and come again, and an oriental lettuce. And I'm sowing them in rows of 3 and they're going all the way out. I am not pricking these out, I'm just shoving them in the ground because rocket tends to grow quite well clumped together. The lettuces will be slightly different, they'll be planted out with a bit more spacing. Same with the pak choy, beetroots. The radishes, you can see they're unhappy, they really need to go into the ground. And stunning broad beans, I'm so chuffed with the broad beans, they look gorgeous. So they're all going to go out into this section here. The spinach I'm going to keep for a bit longer, but it's about to bolt because it's starting to get hot. Even now as I'm talking, it's getting so hot in here. All this is going to come out. Chard's going to stay. Obviously the radicchios had it stay, that's going to come out. And the broad beans will sort of be around here. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to just crack on now and quickly try and get some of this planted before the baby gets too fussy. He's right at the top. Hey, Toby.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Okay, so I have got this much done. You can see where I completely went off there. It's because I was planting from that side and you can't see when it goes off. So yeah, my top tip would be to lay down strings if you want to be really neat. But I'm happy enough with that, does not matter. I know my husband will see that and it'll drive him mad. So that's that done. I'm just watering everything now at the moment. Toby is falling asleep in his pram, which is fantastic. He's super tired. He's bundled up in so many different layers and I am like basically naked because it's so hot in here, but he's in the doorway so it's kind of cold there. So yep, there we go. That's some of the April seed sowing. I'm now just going to go and water the other polytunnel with the tomatoes and chilies, and then we will probably go in and make some lunch. That's it for this morning anyway. I'm gonna go back home now. I'm really pleased that I got some of those salads planted. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you again in another video soon. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.